What is going on, people? Welcome to the vlog. It's a bit close, let me put you back there. Great day here in the UK, man. It's been absolutely crazy, the weather last kind of week or so. It's been just storms after storms and hurricanes, all this kind of madness. But anyway, enough of that. I am back on my walks, guys. We are kind of getting in about 7,000 steps a day, which is good, man. I'm looking for about 10,000, but I'm just glad that I'm continuing these walks, and it has been super refreshing for my mind, like I said in kind of previous vlogs. But look, the video title seems kind of depressing. I get it. It is kind of depressing, but I'm gonna try and keep this video as light-hearted as possible. I have seriously screwed up, and I'm gonna share the story with you to hopefully make sure that you guys don't do the same as well at home. The plan of the day is to go check out this gym, which is kind of just a few minutes away from here, and I want to get into yoga, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to inquire what the prices are, and yeah, just get that done. And then I've got to go to the usual spot, Costa, get some emails rattled out, and then get on with the day. So I'm just going to document, guys. I'm going to just kind of keep it free flowing. I don't want this video to go on for too long. I just really want to share the issue, the problem that I've created for myself. So anyway, as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Check this out, man. This is annoying. There's a bin right there, bench. What do you reckon happened here, man? You've got rubbish all around the bin. You've got a random trainer. Fuck. Like, why would you do that? Why would you come, chill at the bench, eat your chicken, and you can't even stick it in the freaking bin? It's got a piss take, man. Here we are.
A few moments later.
It's a cool tree. Right, so I was literally in there for about half an hour checking out the place. Come back out and it's already started raining. Seriously, we're going through some tough times right now in the UK in terms of the weather. It's been really windy, guys. Like, it's been, for us, it's like next levels, right? Like, there's floods up and down the country, fences being blown down, loads of mess, man. Loads of things going wrong in the world right now. I've signed up to the gym. They've got yoga classes on every single like day, I think, but I'm looking to hit maybe like a couple of classes a week. I've been interested in doing yoga for a while now, like months, even maybe years. I feel like I'm not getting any younger, and my body's just getting stiffer and tight in all places. So I feel like yoga is going to be the one to help that. Otherwise, like, they've got a swimming pool, they've got gym, obviously, they've got some tennis courts. So for £50 a month, which is about what, $70, it's not too bad. Can't handle this weather, man. Like, it kind of makes, I don't want to feel depressed. Like, I don't want to feel down about the weather. Everyone talks about how shit the UK weather is, but it really does affect you, man. Like, when you don't see sun or feel heat for so long, and it's just miserable. 1 minute it's dry, 1 minute it's raining. Can't handle it, man. It's just up and down. Here we are. Can I have some cinnamon on that as well, please? Yeah. Nice one. Thanks. Right, so I've got the usual chai latte with almond milk, and I'm also trying this strawberry granola thing. Not really into this kind of stuff, but it just feels like I want to try it. Check this out. This is my desktop, peeps. Yeah, like, I'm not proud of it. Right, peeps, finished up the quick edit. Done a quick edit for Instagram just now, talking about wrist positioning and how I prefer my elbows and wrists to be, and then just transferred it to Instagram. So that took me a little bit longer than I expected. It's now 2 o'clock, roughly. It's gone past 2 already. I need to get home, pick up some stuff, then I'm off to the gym to go meet Joey, and then get cracking with the day. So stay with me. Multivitamin, what else did I need again? And some ibuprofen. Yo, check this out, man. Old school building this. Norbury Library. Used to come here as a little kid. Just go do some reading, go find those little books. You know those little books that you open the pages and a little picture pops up? One of them. Those are the books I used to like reading, man. They were sick. Roxanne, Roxanne. Here we are back at this joint. Muscle Mania gym, man. Look at this guy, bro.
Yeah, man.
What you saying?
You're late. What happened?
Bro, I couldn't find parking, bro.
Couldn't get parking, bro.
How you doing, man?
Alright, man. Just shoulders and back today.
Shoulders and back, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hard session.
Back at the Mecca Kings. Looks tough, bro.
Nah, easy. At work. Compound machine.
And compound movements.
Compound.
They're killing me, man.
Some strength, man.
They're really killing me. Do you know, when you work out in a place like this, yeah, like, you don't even want to look at your phone. Normally when I'm in any other gym right now, other than this one, sometimes I'm like looking at my phone in between sets, messing around on Instagram. In this gym, everyone's getting it in, man. No one's messing around on their phones, man. No chitter chatter in this gym.
Even the smallest guy.
Me?
I said even the smallest guy just goes hard.
I'm probably the smallest guy in here right now.
Nah, man, you're not. Smallest guys in you, man.
Everyone is big.
It's not about being small, it's about the heart. Trust me, bro.
That's what I mean.
It's about the heart. It's about the determination.
That's right. Listen, guys, we finished up. It's 5 o'clock now. Joey and I are discussing what we're going to do for next week's workout. We might switch it up, a little surprise.
Still a black.
These bands don't know, man. They're too young for that. Only the old school Bastilla.
Price.
Sick sesh, bro.
See you later, man.
Listen, how am I getting on, man? We're like 2 and a bit months in now.
Yeah, you're doing well, bro.
The strength's getting there, isn't it, a little bit?
Strength's getting there. Core's definitely getting stronger. Just keep it up. As I said, guys, consistency.
Consistency.
Like, nothing happens overnight.
Respect, Joey. Nice one. Oh, no, he done it again. You know what?
I'm not wearing these trainers.
You know what his jokes about this year is that you know the other day when we recorded the intro and he spun around the corner, literally put his fresh trainers in a puddle just around the corner from the HQ. He's done it again. Listen, Joey, safe, bruv.
Later, guys.
Later, man. Alright, that's Joey done. That's workout done. Now we're gonna get back to the HQ. Right, got my snack, just a little post-workout snack. Just got some turkey slices on this light bagel, jalapenos, chili sauce, and I've got these little Sunbite crisps which are really low in calories, but it's just a quick little snack. I haven't really been eating much today. You've seen all I've had is the granola, the protein bar, the like kind of Nature Valley, and I've got this little snack. But I'm just not feeling so hungry today. I feel like I haven't really been getting a lot of cardio in. And it kind of leads me to today's topic, which is, yeah, I've got some news to drop. It's pretty stupid on my part, guys. Like, I've been a little bit irresponsible with myself, with my body, and just wanted to put it out there because, you know, I really want to be as transparent as possible with you, as always. And I've done something that I always tell others to make sure they don't do. And what I've ended up doing, guys, is I've ended up straining my Achilles tendon. I believe I've strained my Achilles tendon. It could be quite severe. I don't know how long it's gonna be damaged for, but basically a month ago, I went through this crazy week, this period in my life where I ended up just over fatiguing the muscle. And it's come to a point now that every single time I skip or like put any pressure on the calf, the Achilles, I'm literally in agony. And yeah, every video for the last 4 weeks, can you imagine, like I've just been pushing past the pain barrier. And it's everything that I always say on this channel and to my clients, which is just when you feel like this, when you feel like there's a problem, you need to stop. need to stop skipping. And me being a dodo like an idiot, like I've just been on this road to try and get a workout video every single week, trying to get tutorials out every single week, content, etc, etc. And I've just got myself into a big mess because now I've got to put the brakes on and I can't skip. And the injury never came about by skipping, funny enough. It actually came about, Joey and I were training, we're doing a leg day, and sorry, I got a really runny nose, man. Like, it's just so cold outside. But Joey and I were training, we're doing leg day, and as always, I was trying to build my calves up, right? Like, you know, my calf is lacking, but we were doing kind of calf extensions, calf raises, and we were trying to lengthen the muscle. So we're going really low down, coming back up, and that was all fine, right? Like the next day, there was no issue. But what had happened is that week there was like the perfect storm for me. Like the next day, I had a 2.5 hour session with a client. We were training together, and by the end of the session, I started to seize up, started to feel tight. But you know, I've been skipping for 4 or 5 years, right? And I just thought, you know, that's normal. I've been skipping literally almost nearly every day for so long. My legs are conditioned to do this, right? Then by the Wednesday, I ended up doing the tutorial, the one-legged double under tutorial, and that is when I really screwed shit up, like, because that move is so intense on your calves. And again, it's a move that I've done for so long, like for so many months, had no issues, but the previous 2 days were so intense that my calf, my Achilles had just given up, and I just seized up during that tutorial. And again, like a fool, I continued. I thought it was nothing, I thought I could beat it, and I had to get that tutorial out. That was my thinking, right? And you know, to make matters worse, the next day I then met Chris Eubank Jr. for a training session with him, like one of the most intense training sessions I've ever done. And again, with boxing, you're always on the balls of your feet. I was just putting so much stress on my legs. And you know, the next time me and Joey did a workout here, I said to him, I said, listen man, my calves are absolutely obliterated. Like I was in so much pain doing all these workouts for the last few weeks, and I've tried to hide it, but now I'm just telling you guys that I just cannot go on. So I don't know how long I'm going to be out in terms of making tutorials and the workouts. We're going to try and change things up a little bit, but I just want to be transparent with you guys, because you know, the worst thing I can do is just continue like trying to make videos to obviously get my content out there, and in the end I'm just damaging myself for the long term. And I hate it, guys, because I've always been someone who preaches about looking after your body, making sure that skipping is not damaging your body. It shouldn't be. And there's me like overtraining, over fatiguing, and I just feel like that week was just the perfect storm and I wasn't ready for it. And I don't want this clip to go on for too long, but I just wanted to share with you like my mistakes, because I don't want you guys to do the same thing, right? Like I was doing some muscle lengthening exercises with Joey, then I went to this like 2.5 hour training session, and boom, 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 like I was just going in hard every single day that week, and I just ended up injuring myself, and it's not cool. I'm not happy about it. In terms of like finishing on a light note, because I don't like to be, you know, pretty mopey about this whole thing, but I will be making sure I get good content out for you. Whatever the subject is, I'll make it super relevant and super valuable, of course. It just means that there's not going to be too much kind of skipping tutorials for the next kind of foreseeable future, but I will get some good value out there for you as always, man. But going forward, guys, like just, yeah, look after your bodies. Don't do the same stupid shit I've just done. I'm really cross with myself, really annoyed with myself. And there's just nothing you can do, right? Like I'm an older guy now. I'm 35 this year, which is mental. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to start yoga and join the gym down the road. And yeah, I've got to look after my body a lot more, man. I need to make sure that I'm able to continue doing what I do for as long as I can. And yeah, with your support, with your help, you guys are making a young guy's dream come true every single day. So again, thank you just for everything, guys. Like, you don't understand. I just appreciate every single one of you. I couldn't have done anything like it's just out of my wildest kind of dreams to be doing what I do. So I want to just remind you that I'm super thankful and really humbled about like everything that you guys do for this brand and for us. So hopefully you all stick around. I will be getting you out some fire tutorials, I promise you, in the near future. Big up if you made it to the end of this video, guys. Just drop a comment right now for the Q&A that's going to be going up on Friday, hopefully. Drop me your questions, and also that will be your entry for the signed rope giveaway. So without further ado, I'm going to check you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.